DT heritage in a modern, compact, and exciting form. Designed for young riders and off-road enthusiasts, this bike blends classic dual sport character with updated engineering. On Cars Top TV, we explore how Yamaha has revived the DT80 spirit for a new generation. Classic DT legacy reborn. Yamaha's DT series has always been known for reliability, lightweight performance, and go-anywhere ability. The 2026 DT80 stays true to that legacy with a simple yet rugged design. It carries the DNA of the original DT models while offering improved durability and smoother performance for today's riders. Engine and performance overview. The 2026 Yamaha DT80 is powered by a refined 80cc engine that focuses on smooth power delivery and easy control. This engine is tuned for both trail riding and light on-road use, making it ideal for beginners and experienced riders who enjoy relaxed off-road adventures. The lightweight frame helps deliver quick acceleration and confident handling. Suspension and ride quality. One of the highlights of the Yamaha DT80 is its capable suspension setup. Long travel front forks and a strong rear suspension allow the bike to handle uneven terrain, dirt trails, and rough roads with ease. The balance between comfort and control makes every ride enjoyable, whether on trails or city outskirts. Design and styling. The 2026 DT80 features a clean and sporty design inspired by classic Yamaha off-road bikes. A slim fuel tank, upright riding position, and minimalist body panels give it a true dual sport look. Modern touches like updated graphics and improved ergonomics make it feel fresh while respecting its roots. Braking and safety features. Yamaha has equipped the DT80 with reliable braking components that provide consistent stopping power. The lightweight construction and balanced chassis help riders maintain control, especially on loose surfaces. This focus on safety makes the DT80 a confidence-building motorcycle for new riders. Who is the 2026 Yamaha DT80 The 2026 Yamaha DT80 is perfect for young riders, beginners, and anyone looking for a simple, fun, and dependable off-road bike. It's also a great option for those who appreciate classic Yamaha styling combined with modern reliability. On Cars Top TV, we see it as a bike that brings pure riding joy without unnecessary complexity. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha DT80 proves that small displacement bikes can still deliver big excitement. With its lightweight design, proven Yamaha engineering, and iconic DT character, it stands out as a timeless dual-sport motorcycle. Stay connected with Cars Top TV for more updates, reviews, and insights into the latest bikes and cars.